Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Our topic for today is about the last two types of roof. We have already completed our roof by footprints and then a roof by extrusion, and now we are going to discuss the third type and fourth type. The third type is in place roof and the fourth type is the roof by face. Now guys, before we continue, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Now guys, my Revit is open, and next that I will do is we're going to create a new project. I'm going to this new, and then in the project template, I'm going to select this metric architecture template, and then this is a project, and then click OK. Okay guys, now the new project is now open. Next that I'm going to do as usual is we need to change our unit. UN, I'll type UN, and then I go to this length and select meters. And then 2 decimal places. And then OK. And then OK. Now guys, that our project is open, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a wall. Create a wall, and in the wall I'm going to select this rectangle, and I'll choose this generic name, or we're going to select another one. I will select this exterior brick on material stud, and then I'm going to create a triangle. So I'll want to make it 22 by 10, and then I click escape twice, and then I'll go to 3D, and then I think I need to select this all and change this unconnected into up to level 2, and then apply, and then there is our walls. And then I'll go back to level 1, and next that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a grid or a reference plane. I'll create a reference plane, and I will make an offset here of 1 meter, and also 1 meter here, and on this side and on that side. And next I'm going to name this first one as our reference one, and then the other one I will name it reference 2. Then need to drag this, and then drag this one, and then drag the other one also, and I'm going to drag this, and then drag the other one also. Now guys, next that I'm going to do is I will open this project browser west elevation. I'll open it, I'll double click it, and then in project browser, next is I'm going to architecture tab, and in architecture tab I'll go to component, and I'll click this model in place, down arrow, and then model in place. And then in model in place, I'm going to select roofs, and then OK. And then I will name this roof in place. And then okay. The next that I'm going to do is I'm going to this blend. Go to blend, and I'm going to select my first reference, and then okay. And then next I'll click this from draw panel. I'll click this start reduce arcs. I'll click it, and then I'll go to this end to end, and I'll make a radius curve. And then next is I'm going to offset this line. I'll do an offset, and I'll select this point 2, and then there. And then I need to place a line in draw panel and make a line here, and then make a line on this other side, and then okay. Now next I'm going to other side. This I'll click this edit tab, and then in edit type tab I'm going to make a line. It's difficult to get this exact 30 degrees. Yeah, 30 degrees. And then I'll go and click this and go to mirror DM, and then I mirror it at the center, and then there. I think I need to move it. Move. Just click it and move it here on this other side. Then I'll go to this trim extent, and I'll click here and here. Then again I'm going to select these two, make an offset of 0.20 also, 0.20 here and 0.20 here on this other side also, and then I'll make a line, and then make a line on the other side also of the edge, and then okay, we need to finish this and make this second end maybe because I have selected 24. Now it's okay, and finish this, and then in 3D it is like this, and then finish again, and there it is, our model in place. And then next that I'm going to do, I'll just click all those walls tab, and then attach base to this roof, and there it is, our model in place. And then I'm going to select this again and go to edit, model in place, select, and then I'll go to this material, and I'm going to select material, wood, shake, wood shake, and then bring it up this wood shake, and then apply, then okay, and then again click it and finish it, and then in realistic it is like this. Okay, that is our first model in place. We can create uh, any shape that we can do as a roof in our model in place. Now guys, let's move to our next topic. Our next topic is roof by face. Now next that I'm going to do is I will delete these proofs that we have just created. I delete it. And then I go to level 1, and then I need to name this, and I will name this one ref A, and then I will name this also ref B, and then again I need to create another reference plane. I'll go to this one, I click the other one, and I will do create similar, and then I'm going to create another one here at midpoint, and I'll just drag this out, and then I'm going to name this ref B. This is ref C. Ref A, ref B, and ref C. Now next that I'm going to do is I'm going to open this browser, project browser south elevation. It is already open here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to this massing and site, and then I'll click this show mass, and then I'll go to this in place mass, and in place mass I will name this one roof by face, and then I'll go to this draw panel, and I'm going to draw a spline, and I will just click this ref A, and then OK, and then I just draw a spline like this, and here, and also here and there, and up to this. Now I click escape, and then let's edit this. Just move this here, move this one, move this, and I move this in the middle. Just make it like this. And here I'll just make this one higher more, and then next that I'm going to do is I will just copy to clipboard, and I will paste this one on same place, align on same place, and next is I'm going to touch this and move it to ref B. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this down, and then again I'm going to copy to clipboard. I will copy this and then paste to same place, and then in same place I'm going to move it to reference C, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this very high, and then in 3D it is like this. I have 3, 1, 2, 3. Now next that I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, and then select the other one and create form. And then there is the form that we have created. And now we have finished this. There. And since we have finished this, we have go to finish mask, and there it is done. And then next that I'm going to do is I'll go to this masking on site and go to roofs. And then in roof, I'm going to select any type of roofs, and then I go to this edit, and then I duplicate this, and I'm going to name this roof by face, and then okay. And then I'll go here and I'll go to this structure row material by category, and then I click it and I go to this builder button and I'll select this wood shake, and then okay, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay. And then next is I'll click this and I'll just click this create a roof, and there is our roof. Now next that I'm going to do is I'm going to select this wall, select all this wall, select one and then click the tab and select, and then I'll click this attach base and I'll attach it there, and that's it. Here is our complicated roof that we have created using this roof by face. Alright guys, that's it for today, and tomorrow we're going to our next topic. Our next topic is all about this roof remaining. This is soffit, fascia, and gutter. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Beer Melengue, till we meet again. Bye bye.